Have you ever dreamed of being a graceful and sophisticated lady who turns heads wherever she goes? Do you want to express your true self and feel comfortable in your own skin? If you are a crossdresser or a transgender woman, you may have faced some challenges and difficulties in achieving your desired appearance and behavior. But don't worry, because, in this video, we will share with you some tips and tricks on how to be an elegant crossdresser or transgender woman in every aspect of your life. One of the first steps to look elegant as a crossdresser or transgender woman is to choose a role model who inspires you and reflects your desired image. This can be a celebrity, a friend, a family member, or anyone else who has the qualities that you admire. You can study their appearance, behavior, attitude, and personality, and try to emulate them in your own way. Another step is to develop your personal style that suits your taste, personality, budget, and lifestyle. You don't have to follow every trend or copy every outfit that you see on magazines or social media. You can create your own unique style that expresses who you are and what you like. You can experiment with different colors, patterns, fabrics, cuts, accessories, and makeup until you find what works best for you. Another key to look elegant as a crossdresser or transgender woman is to dress for your body type and occasion. You want to wear clothes that fit you well, flatter your figure, and highlight your best features. You also want to avoid clothes that are too tight, too loose, too revealing, or too outdated. You can use online guides, apps, or personal stylists to help you find the best clothes for your body type. You also want to dress appropriately for the occasion that you are attending. You don't want to be underdressed or overdressed, as this can make you look out of place or disrespectful. You can use online resources, blogs, or magazines to help you learn the dress codes and etiquette for different events. You can also ask your friends, colleagues, or hosts for advice on what to wear. Another way to look elegant as a crossdresser or transgender woman is to use accessories and makeup to enhance your femininity. Accessories and makeup can add some sparkle, color, and personality to your outfit, as well as accentuate your facial features and create illusions of curves and proportions. However, you don't want to overdo it, as this can make you look tacky or clownish. You want to keep it simple, classy, and tasteful. Another aspect of looking elegant as a crossdresser or transgender woman is to take care of your hair, skin, and nails. These are the parts of your body that are most visible and noticeable, and they can make a big difference in your overall appearance and impression. You want to keep them clean, healthy, and well-groomed at all times. You can choose to grow your own hair or wear a wig, depending on your preference and situation. Either way, you want to choose a hairstyle that suits your face shape, personality, and style. You also want to wash, condition, and style your hair regularly, using products that are suitable for your hair type and texture. You can also visit a salon or barber for professional advice and service. You want to have a smooth, clear, and radiant skin that glows with health and beauty. You can achieve this by following a daily skincare routine that involves cleansing, toning, moisturizing, exfoliating, and applying sunscreen. You can also use products that are designed for your skin type and condition, such as dry, oily, sensitive, or acne-prone. You can also visit a dermatologist or esthetician for professional advice and treatment. You want to have neat, clean, and well-shaped nails that complement your hands and feet. You can achieve this by trimming, filing, buffing, and polishing your nails regularly, using tools and products that are appropriate for your nail type and length. You can also choose to apply nail polish or artificial nails, depending on your preference and style. You can also visit a manicurist or pedicurist for professional advice and service. Looking elegant as a crossdresser or transgender woman is not enough. You also need to act elegant as a crossdresser or transgender woman. Acting elegant means behaving in a way that is graceful, refined, courteous, and respectful. It also means having a positive attitude, a good sense of humor, and a genuine interest in others. You can use affirmations, compliments, or motivational quotes to boost your mood and morale. You can also avoid negative self-talk such as criticism, insults, or comparisons. You can set goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. You can also break down your goals into smaller steps and celebrate your progress and achievements. You can ask for feedback from people who are supportive, honest, and constructive. You can also use feedback to improve your performance and learn from your mistakes. You can challenge yourself to try new things, learn new skills, or overcome obstacles. You can also view challenges as opportunities to grow and excel. You can do some research on the etiquette and manners of different cultures, countries, or occasions that you may encounter. You can use online resources, books, or magazines to help you learn the do's and don'ts of various scenarios. You can observe how other people behave in different situations and follow their example. You can also pay attention to their body language, tone of voice, and facial expressions to understand their emotions and intentions. You can ask questions from people who are knowledgeable or experienced in the etiquette and manners of different situations. You can also ask for clarification or confirmation if you are unsure or confused about something. You can practice vocal exercises that can help you raise your pitch, soften your tone, and smooth your intonation. You can also practice breathing, articulation, and pronunciation. In addition to practicing vocal exercises, consider seeking guidance from a voice coach or speech therapist who specializes in gender-affirming techniques. You can use words that are more feminine, descriptive, or emotional. You can also use words that are more polite, respectful, or complimentary. Using feminine, descriptive, or emotional words can help you express yourself in a way that aligns with your true identity. For example, instead of saying "I'm fine," you could say "I'm feeling overwhelmed at the moment." This allows you to convey your emotions more authentically and opens up opportunities for others to provide support. You can avoid words that are more masculine, aggressive, or vulgar. You can also avoid words that are too technical, formal, or slangy. You can use proper titles and names when addressing or referring to others, such as Mr., Mrs., Ms., Doctor, Sir, Madam, etc. You can also use their first names or nicknames if they prefer or allow it. You can use proper greetings and farewells when meeting or leaving others, such as hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, goodbye, see you later, etc. You can also use appropriate gestures, such as smiling, nodding, waving, shaking hands, hugging, kissing, etc. You can use proper expressions of gratitude and apology when thanking or apologizing to others, such as thank you, thanks, I appreciate it, I'm sorry, I apologize, please forgive me, etc. You can also use appropriate gestures, such as bowing, clasping hands, touching chest, etc. Being an elegant crossdresser or transgender woman is not impossible or difficult. You just need to follow some simple steps and tips that can help you look and act elegant in every aspect of your life. You also need to have a positive attitude, a good sense of humor, and a genuine interest in others. By doing so, you can enjoy your femininity and express your true self with confidence and grace.
We hope you found the information helpful. We know that being transgender can be a difficult journey, and we want to do our part to make it a little bit easier. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. It would mean the world to us. You can also support our work by joining our membership. This will help us continue to create content that is helpful and supportive for the community. Thank you again for watching, and we hope to see you next time.